From here, we have amazing views of O Rosal, the Minho estuary and the Portuguese town of Caminha. Next to the wall, there is a panel with information about the paths of the Trega. The obelisk you see on the left is a monument in remembrance of the founders of the Pro-Mountain Society. On its north side, we can see the face of its creator, Manuel Lomba Peña, made by the Galician sculptor Francisco Azorey. This society, founded in 1912 and dissolved in 1979, built the road from Aguarda to the mountain, carried out archaeological excavations, founded the museum, began the reforestation, and created the Fiestas del Monte, Festival of the Mountain, which is still celebrated on the second week of August and was declared Festival of Galician Cultural Interest in 2009. If you look at the river, you will see the Canossa Island, the largest. This island is the subject of an anecdote involving Nemesio Alvarez Sanchez, a captain pilot from Aguarda in Madrid, who once landed a plane on the island simply to come and enjoy the Fiestas del Monte. From then onwards, A Canossa became the first military airport in Galicia, very active from 1930 to 1936. If you walk down the stairs, you will see two crosses, a thin and simple one and a larger one with a medallion. There are two Via Crucis, Way of the Cross, at the Trega. The most primitive one dates from the 17th century and is composed only of stone crosses. The other Via Crucis, which was built between the 20th and the 40th decade of the 20th century, has a bronze medallion created by the sculptor Julio Vicente y Mengual. Both of these stations have been financed by different families in Aguarda. Please walk down the stairs to find the next spot.